As it turns out, great reviews don't magically grow your revenue, but there's a smarter way to make them work for you. I know how frustrating it feels when clients love your work, but potential customers aren't converting. You're collecting testimonials, but they're buried in random places across your site. Visitors can't easily find that social proof when they need it most to make purchasing decisions. Here's what changes everything. Strategically displaying your testimonials using a wall of love widget. Instead of hiding your best reviews, we're going to showcase them in an animated, eye-catching format that builds trust right where visitors make buying decisions. Let me show you exactly how to set this up in Testimonial. We're going to create a wall of love that converts visitors into customers. First, let's navigate to your workspace. In the Spaces section in the middle of your screen, you'll see your project spaces. We're going to first click on the Rise Productive Content Services space card to open that Spaces dashboard. This takes us to where we can configure our testimonial displays. Now in the left navigation panel, you'll notice an embed widget section. Let's click on Wall of Love to open the embed configuration dialog. This is where we'll customize how our testimonials appear on your website. You'll see several layout options, but we're going to choose the most engaging one. Let's click the masonry animated card. I absolutely love this layout because it creates dynamic movement that naturally draws visitors' eyes to your testimonials. Now you can actually make the widget match your brand perfectly. In the basic settings tab, you can make the wall of love go to the dark side or choose colors from the top and bottom shadow background. You can pick the colors that you would like to make it visually appealing. You can also select the scroll direction, vertical or horizontal, whichever one you want. For our wall of love, we're going to keep it vertical. And here's the best part. Getting this on your website is actually so incredibly easy that at the bottom right of the dialog, you'll see a copy code button. We're actually going to click on that. And what it's going to do is it's going to copy the widget's HTML to my clipboard, and this code contains all the styling and functionality that we configured. Perfect. Now what we can do is we can close the dialog and take a victory lap around the office, or just spin in our chair like a normal person. Now let me show you how this looks in action on a real website. What I love about this process is that once you provide the inputs, Testimonial does all the heavy lifting for you, making the whole setup incredibly smooth. On the Rise Productive website, let's scroll down to the What Clients Are Saying section. Watch how testimonials are displayed, and you can see the live animated widget we just created in action. The masonry layout creates this flowing, dynamic presentation that immediately captures the attention of everybody. You can look at these testimonials in action. An example of one you see here is the one that says, "What I really love about the process is that I just provided inputs and the team did all the work end to end, making it really cool. Love the video." This testimonial showcases the complete service experience, and this testimonial drives the point home. Another one that we have here also drives the point home. Here at Morgan, we're delighted to be working with Dimitri on the content we need to produce in terms of videos and guides. 10 out of 10. Totally recommend working with them. That specific rating and recommendation create instant credibility, and I'm really grateful that they left reviews like that for me. And here's why this strategic placement works so effectively for sales conversions. We've positioned the wall of love right in the middle of the sales journey, exactly where potential clients are evaluating whether to move forward. The animated masonry layout keeps visitors engaged longer than static testimonials. When people see real client names, specific project details, and genuine enthusiasm, it builds the trust needed to convert browsers into buyers. This approach transforms your testimonials from hidden assets into active sales tools. Instead of visitors having to hunt for social proof, it's prominently displayed where they naturally look for validation. The result is higher conversion rates and more confident purchasing decisions. Try setting up your own wall of love today and watch how strategic testimonial placement transforms your conversion rates. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more marketing strategies. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.